Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about what rebuilding a VoV does and show the process on how to do it. Rebuilding a VoV is used to reflect any changes made to the views that were used in building the VoV. For example, if I change the filter criteria for a view that was used in a VoV and want the VoV to use the new filter criteria, I would need to go into the VoV builder and rebuild the VoV for it to be updated. To get started, the first thing I'm going to do is make a change to my filter criteria on my view. Once I have opened my first view, I'm going to go into the FSGS tab and add a filter for order date greater than or equal to October 31st, 1996. I am then going to save the view and run it to make sure I'm getting the results I want. If I look at the bottom, I will have seen my total hits go from 830 without the filter to 735 with the filter. Now that one of the views has been modified, I need to rebuild the VoV to get the updated filter criteria. So I'm going to go in the VoV builder and open my existing VoV. Once I have opened the VoV, I'm going to click Rebuild VoV and then save it. If we take a quick look at the original VoV prior to the rebuild, we can see that we're getting records for View 1 with order dates prior to October 31st, 1996. Now if I reopen the VoV and run it again, I should see no records for View 1 with an order date earlier than October 31st, 1996. For more information on VoVs or any other sections of VDM, check out our website's documentation in the links below.